Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about one of the Python interview question which is asked in the real time. So it is very simple question. We need to insert the data into the table. The question is insert data into the table using Python. We can insert in the SQL database or PostgreSQL database, no problem, but we need to use the Python here. Uh, Already just before going to the problem, just what are the configuration available in the MySQL. I want to show you. We have the employee table. We can use this employee table. This employee table have the columns ID, name, and salary. If I click, there are 7 data available, 7 records available here. 1 to 7. Okay, I want to create the again the 8 number or 8 or say some ID number. New data I want to create by using the Python. I want to show you. For that, you need to use the one of the MySQL package which is required. I'm using this MySQL package which you can do. You can check in your Python this package is installed or not. I'm using this Python 3.11. Whatever the version you can use, Python 3.8 also no problem, Python 3.7 also no problem. But in that you need to install the one package that is, I will show you. Please, that is here the MySQL. This is the package name MySQL connector hyphen Python 8.0 and this is the MySQL connector. Just you can use the command like pip install MySQL connector. You can use this command to install to install just the command pip install MySQL connector. By using this, you can install actually. I want to show you in ChatGPT what is that command. This is the command, right? Pip install MySQL connector hyphen Python. Hyphen Python. By using this command, you can install this MySQL package which is required to connect with the MySQL database. So first you need to install this package. After that, you can start the Python code. It is Python code. From MySQL import connection connector. You need to import the connector to connect with the MySQL database. Then you need to establish the connection. Connector dot connect. Using this, you need to give us some host name. Host equal to, you can provide like local host. If it is your local host, you're using it your local. Then username. Need to provide username here. For my case, Shailish. Username and password. Pass or password, I guess. Pass also no problem. Yes, no problem. Password. Shailish. With this expected expression word type as password expecting. Okay. Host name, username, password, and database name. Database equal to what is the database name? Database name for my case is employee. Employee is the database name. This is the employee is the database name. Employee is the database name. And okay, this is the connection for the database. After that, you need to create the one cursor connection. After the cursor to create the cursor connection, that cursor function we need to use cursor, right? cursor, and we need to create one SQL query equal to insert the data, insert into employee dot employee. This is the database name. This is the table name, employee, and whatever the columns you have, you can mention here. ID, after that name and salary. Okay, that you need to mention these values. Whatever the values you want to give, you can give here. Have the eight name is, suppose I'm mentioning Prasad. Salary is 10,000 or 1,000, suppose I'm mentioning here. So format this one. Okay, this is my SQL query. Cursor dot execute the SQL query. I need to use this. Okay, if actually this will expect the params, but I'm not giving here. So we will get some kind of error. We will see what kind of error it will throw. Then cursor dot execute. Okay, is this enough? This code is enough to create the data. Prasad. We will get some errors actually. Right? Unsupported argument database. Okay, database spelling is wrong. Database. Okay. Yeah, access denied for user. Shailish localhost. User is Shailish. Password is Shailish. Actually, username is root. Sorry. Password is also root. Right. Yeah, fine. It query is executed, right? I will add here some print statement. AAA. We will see it is printing AAA or not. Means this flow is correct. We will check A data is created or not. 7 is available. 8 is not created. Why 8 is not created? This is one of the important question. Why 8 is not created? Just without we need to do the one commit actually. If you are not doing the commit, it will not save in the database. Commit, this function is useful to save the changes. Okay. Now we will check again. To save the changes, cursor, no, it is not. Cursor doesn't have any function, so connection, we need to use the connection instead of cursor. Actually in PostgreSQL we can use the cursor dot commit, but in MySQL connection dot commit is the one thing. Now we will check data is created or not. Yes, successfully we are able to create the data in Prasad, and salary this much. This is our question. Yeah, this is the interview question actually. Insert data into the table using Python. For that, you need to use the MySQL package first from MySQL import connector, and we need to give the this MySQL server details and database details here. So to establish the connection with the MySQL, after that we need to make the cursor to execute the query. After that, you need to save the changes. Also, we have the connection dot close actually connection dot close. We have this function to close the connections. Whatever the connection we established right now, we should close finally after doing our required task. So I will do again here. I want to execute this, but I will get some error. Why? This duplicate entry 8 for primary key. 8 is already available, so that is primary key, and primary key, you know, primary key is the unique key, so you can use this. Yeah, successfully created the ninth data here. We will check ninth data also created. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video.